This customer had a leak in their main water line, so we were replacing it with a brand new water line. The first thing we do is turn off the water at the main and dig in front of the box to expose the line. The line is then cut so we can remove the old fitting. With the fitting removed, we can see there has been multiple repairs attempted at the main. This house was definitely due for a new water line. A new fitting is prepped with Teflon tape and pipe dope and is then attached to the coupling. Now, we use a trencher to create a trench to run the new water line. While the trench is dug, we attach the new line to the fitting and reattach the coupling at the meter. Now the line is run, while being backfilled to keep it in place. From inside the house, the foundation is measured for where the new hole will be drilled. With the spot marked, we drill our hole. Then the new line is run inside. Back inside, the line is cut to length and fittings are put on the new line and crimped secure. Now the water is turned back on at the main to test the system. With no leaks in the system, the hole for the new line is sealed with concrete and this job is complete. If you have a plumbing issue like this or any other plumbing need, please feel free to call us at 678-403-1071.